Alright guys, so I just got my magnets, my car magnets in the mail. I got new ones. Yes, I get new ones every year. So this is the one I got for this year. And it looks beautiful already. That's my new logo that I got last year that I showed you guys. So I got 2 magnets. And I think it was $40 each for each magnet. I usually get 2 magnets instead of just getting one. Because I figure people will look on both sides of my car. Even though I'm not the best driver, I don't know if that's the ideal thing for me to do, but I did it anyway. So, here are my magnets. And I'm going to put it on my passenger and my driver's side door instead of my my backseat doors. Just because the passenger and the driver's side doors are a little bit longer, so it'll fit this well.